Mastering Forex Trading with Trendlines and Channels. Introduction. Trendlines and channels are fundamental technical analysis tools used by Forex traders to identify trends, potential reversals, and price ranges. For both beginner and intermediate traders, mastering trendlines and channels can significantly enhance trading accuracy and decision-making. These tools help traders analyze price movements, make informed entries and exits, and develop effective trading strategies. In this text, we will delve into the art of mastering Forex trading with trendlines and channels, covering their construction, interpretation, and various trading strategies. Understanding trendlines. Trendlines are straight lines drawn on Forex charts to connect successive higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs in a downtrend. They visually represent the prevailing direction of the market and offer insights into potential support and resistance levels. Drawing uptrend trend lines. Identify two or more significant higher swing lows and draw a straight line connecting them. This line acts as the uptrend support. Drawing downtrend trend lines. Locate two or more significant lower swing highs and draw a straight line connecting them. This line acts as the downtrend resistance. Drawing trend lines in ranging markets. In sideways or ranging markets, draw both an upper resistance trend line connecting multiple swing highs and a lower support trend line connecting multiple swing lows. Using channels. Channels are formed when two parallel trend lines encase the price action, defining the boundaries within which the currency pair is trading. Channels are of two types. Ascending channel. An ascending channel occurs when both the upper trend line and lower trend line have upward slopes, indicating a bullish price movement. Descending channel. A descending channel is characterized by both the upper and lower trend lines having downward slopes, indicating a bearish price movement. Trading strategies with trend lines and channels. Trendline breakouts. Enter trades when the price breaks above a downtrend trend line or below an uptrend trend line. These breakouts suggest potential trend reversals. Channel trading. In channel trading, buy at the lower trend line, support, and sell at the upper trend line, resistance. Traders can also consider counter-trend trades when the price reaches either trend line bounces. Look for price bounces off trend lines for potential entry points in the direction of the prevailing trend. Confirming with candlestick patterns. Combine trend lines and channels with candlestick patterns to time entries more accurately. For instance, a bullish candlestick pattern at an uptrend support may provide a stronger entry signal. Multiple time frame analysis. Utilize multiple time frames to confirm trend lines and channel formations. Higher time frames provide a broader view of the trend, while lower time frames offer precise entry and exit points. Risk management. Implement effective risk management techniques, including setting appropriate stop-loss levels to protect against potential losses if price movements invalidate the trend lines or channels. Monitoring trend line and channel breaks. Be vigilant for potential trend line or channel breaks, as they may signal trend reversals or the start of new price ranges. Conclusion. Mastering Forex trading with trend lines and channels is an essential skill for traders seeking to navigate the Forex market with precision and confidence. Trend lines provide valuable insights into market trends and potential support and resistance levels. Channels help traders identify price ranges and determine optimal entry and exit points. By incorporating trend lines and channels into trading strategies and analyzing multiple time frames, traders can improve their ability to identify trends, make well-timed trades, and manage risk effectively. Continuous practice, experience, and combining trend lines and channels with other technical analysis tools will empower traders to become more successful in the dynamic and ever-changing world of Forex trading.